Hey everybody, Brandon here. Well, just to give y'all a little update to what's been going on, I've not been feeling kind of well the past couple of months. No horror pack for January, so that's what we're going to be doing today on February the 27th. I thought I'd show off a different view of the studio with the action figures. And don't worry, we'll be getting around to those real soon. It's just, I've just been kind of stuck, and I don't know where I'm going with the channel yet. And I know I did say in previous videos and stuff that, certain videos will be out on certain days. Well, disregard all of that, because I'm just going to be putting videos out. Just remember to hit that notification bell on my channel to get notified when new videos drop. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll go ahead and get that out of the way. And, but yeah, it's just not been feeling too well, but hopefully I can get back into the swing of things, because I really like doing these videos. It's just I don't know where the channel's going yet, and as of right now it's just going to be mostly horror pack and unboxings, and I'll be doing some more reviews. I know I did some with like the Toonie Terrors, but I'll definitely be doing some more with figures. Going back, I know I have 3 up on my channel of like animated reviews. I want to go back and do more of those. Those got a lot of views. And yeah, so I really want to go back to that. But in the meantime, let's get on to January's 2021 horror pack. In the middle of February. Let's dive right in. First up, we have, Kate Bosworth and Tyler Hoechlin, the guy that plays Superman in the CW Superman, The Domestics. Never heard of this? It's by Orion Classics. I have not seen that Orion logo in a very long time. Alright, and Horror Pack Limited Edition number 55, Crazy to Crazy. Again, not seen it. Looking forward to it. Next one, it's got a slipcover. Always love some slipcovers. Claire Foy in Unsane. And it just has one special feature, Insanity, and just regular cover art. And last up for January, we have The Dead Room. There is an intruder. It is you. What a tagline. And there's that. Special features on this, behind the scenes in a trailer, and Rumble. Rumble is a new pre-show technology that uses infra sound waves to immerse the audience in a low-frequency soundscape to help attune the viewer for the atmospheric frights of this motion picture. Huh. Didn't even know about that. But yeah, that is January 2021's horror pack. Let me open them up for you and let me show you the disc inside. I know some people might want to see the disc, so Alright, so the inside disc for the domestics, plain disc art, or lack thereof disc art. Crazy to crazy? Nothing really. Just the title. Insane is clear, lack thereof. Really lacking on the disc art, guys. Really lacking. Not impressed. Okay, the Dead Room is basically just the cover art, but at least it has some art on the disc. So yeah. Again, 2021's horror pack. Definitely go check them out. I'll leave a link in the subscription. If you love horror, subscribe to them. They're an amazing service. So, yeah, guys. I'll put up in a couple of days. I'll put up February 2021's horror pack, and that way we can all be caught up and we can move on to something else. So, until the next video, guys. Have a great day. Be nice to everybody. Bye.